Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So we gotta watch this video, okay? I love watching these videos of the day in the life of millionaires and multimillionaires and decamillionaires, but you know what? Who has the best life is none other than the Forex millionaires. The people who trade currencies, and I still don't know how they make money. But with that said, we gotta watch this video here. It actually looks really interesting. It's titled, A Day in the Life of a Miami Forex Millionaire Trader by FX Alex G. FX Alex G. Fixalex G. Anyway, so thank you guys so much, and now hit the like button. Let's begin. Oh, it's missing the Lamborghini. Oh, yeah, I mean, we got a bull here, but you know what? Oh, he's got Happy Dad. Ah, okay. You know what? Like, I'm a huge. I like Nelk. They're my guilty pleasure channel. Like, you know, I've been watching Nelk for, it feels like 10 years, like almost from the very beginning. Been huge fans. And listen, I was also a big fan of the prank channels, like back in the day, Vitali and Roman Atwood and all those guys. But anyway, yeah, Happy Dad, I tried it. I just don't like alcohol, but you know what? They created a great brand. Of course there's Supreme, Rolex. Well, okay, we're missing Louis Vuitton and a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. We need one of those. Just wakes up, just contemplates life. He's like, what am I doing, man? Oh, what happened last night? Yo, I should not full send like that. Look, I mean, look, it looks like he's hungover. Wait, what? Wait, is someone in bed with him? Huh? For a second there, I can't tell if she's wearing pants or not. Because I think so. I think it's like, it looks skin color. Like, it looks like she's not wearing pants. She's wearing pants. But this almost looks too like one of those pull-out couches, doesn't it? Like this just folds back up. All right, let's continue. No need to put on a shirt. I mean, you're only going to be filming. Yeah, better take the shirt off. Listen, if you're in shape, you gotta show people you're in shape because otherwise, then who are you doing it for? So if you can't make a video shirtless, then what's even the point of working out? Oh, the Supreme slippers. Wow. Listen, what am I wearing? Oh, I'm just wearing socks. I have these cool, really fuzzy, festive holiday socks that are so warm and cozy. I love wearing them. I can only wear them in the winter because it's so hot here in Vegas. But that's what I wear. They're way cheaper than Supreme. Imagine he looks at the time, it's like, oh crap, I overslept. Not again. And he misses all of his trades. Oh, yes, Benjamin. I see. Again, I always revert back to like, what would Warren Buffett do? Would Warren Buffett go on his computer and have Benjamin? Maybe he would. Maybe he would. For all I know, I don't know Warren Buffett, so let's just assume he will. As
soon as I wake up, basically after I do all, the regular morning stuff, I come to the markets and I look for any active trades.
I love how he still hasn't put on a shirt. Like, I get, getting out of bed and like going to the bathroom and whatnot, but like just sitting down. Who does he think he is? Liver King? I'm kidding.
As we were recording this video, I actually got into a position. Pretty simple, rejection, level of support and resistance. Obviously right now we're on the 1 hour time frame. If I were to go over to like the 4 hour, you guys can see.
They always start like this. They always wake up and they're half asleep and they're all right, just entered a position here, we're gonna sell it here, do this, and they throw out buzzwords and then they're like, all right, I just made $1,500.
Just barely in profit and we're currently up right now about 4,300.
40 what? 4,300 what? How much does he have to bet? I was about to say bet. How much does he have to bet to win $4,400? How much does he have to gamble with to win 40? I don't know. Sure, there's a strategy to it, but like I'm thinking, if there's a strategy to this, how is it just not hedged immediately? Like how are there not bots that just do this all the time and make it so efficient that you can't make money on it anymore? That's how I think.
I haven't told the guys the time that I'm going to be doing the webinar. I haven't updated them. I'm simply just going to drop the Zoom code right now and let's see how many people get on. So here it goes, 3, 2, all right, let's see. This is currently right now.
Oh, he's doing a Zoom call. He's still not wearing a shirt. When does his shirt come on? What time of the day does he put on a shirt? Just comment down below. Let me know. Give it a time. The video is 15 minutes long. At what time does he put on a shirt?
All right, so we just finished our webinar right now. Trade is right around the same area. We were up about 4,300 earlier. Now we're about 4,200. Basically, same thing. Price really hasn't moved much. Hopefully, the momentum keeps going throughout New York, and then during London, the trade pushes towards my take profit. We got Eric pulling up my barber because I'm looking rough. I haven't gotten a haircut in like 7-8 days. I get a haircut every 5 days.
Gets a haircut every week. Listen, I get a haircut once a month. Nobody notices, but you know what? He keeps his hair way shorter than I do.
We're gonna go get a haircut, and after that, we're gonna go to the HQ.
But he's still, again, okay, the shirt's still off. He's getting a haircut, and again, still has not found a shirt. All right.
I was thinking of doing the heart. I wanted to do the heart.
Let's do it.
Should I do it?
Or like a broken heart?
Yeah, the same one you did on him. Like a pair of nuts or some shit.
You know what would be hard?
What happened to this guy's eyebrow? I don't get that style where they just like slice it. They make it look like a scar. Like I don't get it. I could see like. I don't think it looked bad or anything like that. It's just, it's weird purposely doing that.
All right, so we just tried Eric to see if he could do the level of diamond.
Oh no. Imagine Warren Buffett with that. Listen, I always go back to Warren Buffett. It's not fair. Warren Buffett's, how old is Warren Buffett? I'm gonna guess 88. How old is Warren Buffett? He's 92. I got that a little off, but I don't know. It's not my cup of tea, we'll put it that way. But if this video somehow happens to get 100,000 likes, I know it's never gonna do that, then I will do it. 100,000 likes on this video, I will do the little diamond thing up there. So I just know it's not gonna happen, so 100K likes.
That shit's looking nasty, bro. Are you serious? Yeah.
Is that like the Wall Street bets diamond hands sort of thing? Oh my gosh. All right.
We're gonna go eat now. Probably carrot, something like healthy. I don't like eating anything unhealthy. I don't know, it just doesn't feel good in my stomach. And then after we eat, we're gonna head over to the HQ so you guys check it out.
Yeah, all these guys are really into fitness, eating healthy. You know what, that's the good thing though, is I feel like, the early 2000s were all about junk food. Let's go and just like drink sodas and stuff. Now it's like, hey, we gotta eat healthy, gotta go to the gym. So there's a lot of benefits to that. I like this direction we're headed.
All right, what car do you want to take? Like, what's better for you to film? You want to take the McLaren or the Rolls?
What? Oh my gosh, she's a McLaren and a Rolls Royce. All right, listen, there's a lot of money in either Forex or teaching Forex. I would say we take the McLaren today. I guess they're taking the McLaren. He finally put on a shirt now.
The Rolls?
Yeah.
Is that wrong? All right.
First one out the office today.
I feel like that's a car you need to be driven in. Like, I could see driving the Wraith. It's a little bit more driver friendly. That's a car I feel like he should just be in the back seat of. Oh, wow, that was loud. Imagine you're listening to a headphone and beep. Man.
We recently just put up certificates of our funded traders. We're missing like half of the wall, but I'm like scared of heights, so I didn't finish doing the rest of the wall, and it's like pretty hard to do everything aligned.
It's a great looking office though. Why is he not living there? I would say just live here. This place looks awesome. It looks like an adult playhouse.
We were gonna hire an artist to come in and paint a bear, like 20-foot tall bear and like a 20-foot long bull, and then kind of make them like fight each other, but the person like flaked or whatever. So if any of you guys are artists and you guys want to come to the Level Up HQ, paint some things, pull up, you guys should be as creative as you guys want.
Because they probably heard that idea. It's like, I don't want any part of this. A bull and a bear just fighting, 20 feet tall.
We have Rose STO exhaust. So we originally got this carpet because it was gonna supposed to fill up everything, but yeah.
Yeah, it's a huge room. So he's gonna need like a 20-foot carpet, and carpets like that are expensive. You want a nice rug that big, costs thousands of dollars.
This is usually like where we meet, we make some content for you guys for Level Up, and I usually probably spend out of my day either like 2-3 hours in here. We're gonna do like some trading setups downstairs and then some trading setups upstairs, go upstairs. So up here, we're gonna make this like our executive area. We're gonna have a little sofa on this end here. And then we're gonna have like trading setups all throughout here. So it's gonna be like a little private area.
Are we gonna have a stripper pole?
No stripper point here, not yet. Maybe up here just for the executive area, because
Great looking office. I love the black, I mean, obviously I'm partial to the black walls, but looks nice. Very sophisticated looking office. It's odd that he's going to work and then just playing ping pong and video games. And he just goes home.
we'll be in there for like 2-3 hours at a time.
It's like, all right, nice day, productive. I got a little better at video games today. All right, let's go home.
So now we're gonna get ready and head to the gym and get into a nice workout.
Dude, what was the point of going in there? Just to play video games? Oh yeah, you needed that. That's a good lighting though. You have to admit. For me, I'm the same way. Like some lighting, just I look terrible. And then something like this, it's like, oh wow, Graham, you're going to the gym. Yeah, but hey, put me in something else, it looks horrible. So this gym has good lighting.
Bro, a fire workout. Let's go eat like a burger or something.
Why don't they go back to the office and play video games some more? I'm curious what he did that day. Or maybe he's just showing us the office, I don't know.
After my nap, I usually come down to the charts and I analyze basically what I'm going to be looking for.
Such a weird schedule where you have to take a nap at like 8 p.m. to then wake up at 2 and trade to go back to bed and wake up again. It's such a strange job, you know?
So I'm going to drop a Zoom now with the guys and do like a little market analysis. And then after, I'm just going to throw on a podcast and just kind of stay up while the trades kind of pull up, you know, because if not, it's happened to me before where I literally just like lay back in the chair and I knock out. So I'll put on a podcast or just watch some YouTube videos, like some educational stuff, while I wait for the trades to line up. So.
Oh, look at that. It's why we got Andrew Tate on in the background.
Waiting in the markets, there's literally nothing.
What podcast is that? Is that, no. I loved Patrick Bet-David's interview with Andrew Tate. I thought that was one of the best interviews that I've seen in a very long time. I mean, just Patrick is such a good interviewer in asking good questions and then also letting the other person speak, not interrupting. It's very good.
You guys can tell by my life, like literally my whole entire day revolves around trading, my business, and my health. And if you don't do it, somebody else is. You gotta let today be the start of your better tomorrow. Consistency is key, and we'll see, you know, what happens now in New York. Literally, what I do tomorrow is just repeat. This is what a weekday in my life looks like. So if you guys want to see what a weekend in my life looks like, which it's a lot different from a weekday for sure, make sure to drop a comment below.
Oh man, of course we got to see what the weekend looks like. Let's see. Did he post? I don't see it. You know what, guys? How about this? Just subscribe, and whenever that video comes out, I'll react to it too. So feel free to subscribe, hit the like button. Feel free to add me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and a part 2 coming out as soon as it comes out. But overall, good video. Thank you so much, and until next time.